Hello and welcome. If you're watching this, you're likely a real estate agent looking to reset, rebuild, or reignite your business. Maybe you've hit a plateau. Maybe the market has shifted. Or maybe you're just tired of spinning your wheels. Whatever brought you here, this video is for you. Today I'm walking you through 18 simple yet powerful rules that have helped countless agents regain focus, rebuild structure, and get back into momentum. These were part of my coaching with my coach and still prove true today. These are principles, not trends. Disciplines, not distractions. And they work whether you're just starting out or starting over. Let's begin. Rule 1, I'm a doer. I do things now. I get things done. Action creates clarity. Waiting creates doubt. Each day, start with the one thing you've been avoiding. Then build from there. Rule 2, set smart goals. Clear goals create clear action. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and yes, time-bound. Know what you want. Know when you want it. And track your path there. Rule 3, let go of scarcity and lean into and embrace abundance. There's enough business for everyone. The more value you give, the more you attract. Rule 4, profit is the goal. Gross commissions are not success. Profit is. Track what you keep, not just what you earn. Rule 5, prospecting isn't optional. You don't have to love it. You just have to do it. Every day. No exceptions. Rule 6, don't rely on one lead source. A stable business has multiple income streams. Build more spokes on your wheel, your lead sources. Rule 7, know your magic number. That's how many active listings you need to meet your income goal. Keep it in front of you at all times. Rule 8, you must list to last. Buyers are great, but listings give you control, leverage, and stability. Rule 9, be the best listing agent in your market. Skills close deals, not branding, not fluff. Practice until you're undeniable. Rule 10, done is better than perfect. Perfection delays progress. Launch, then learn. Rule 11, repetitious boredom pays off. Doing the same high-value tasks daily may not be glamorous, but it is profitable. Rule 12, do what you don't want to do when you don't want to do it at a high level. Discipline beats motivation. Always. Rule 13, master what matters most. Scripts, pricing, objections, closing. Focus on what actually moves the needle. Rule 14, focus. Follow one course until successful. Commitment brings results. Distraction delays them. Rule 15, stop circling the runway. Overplanning is fear in disguise. Take off. Then course correct as needed. Rule 16, speed wins. The agent who responds fastest wins the client. Every time. Rule 17, wealth comes when money works for you. Invest. Save and plan. You're not wealthy until your money no longer needs you to earn it. Rule 18, show up as the person you're becoming. Dress like it. Speak like it. Act like it. And soon you'll be it. If this sparked something in you, and you'd like a copy of all 18 rules to reference later, just type 18 rules in the comments. I'll make sure you get it. Thanks for watching. Keep showing up. Keep moving forward. Your next level isn't far off.